This is All India Radio, Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. The Drugs Controller General of India, DCGI, has given approval for restricted use in emergency situation of two COVID-19 vaccines, Serum Institute of India's Covishield and Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. The announcement was made by the Drug Controller General of India, V.G. Somani, during a press conference yesterday. Covishield has been developed at the Serum Institute of India's Pune laboratory with a master seed from Oxford University and AstraZeneca. Mr. Somani said DCGI will never approve anything if there is the slightest of safety concern. The vaccines are 100% safe. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the grant of approval by DCGI to the vaccines of Serum Institute of India and Bharat Biotech accelerates the road to a healthier and COVID-free nation. Congratulating the nation on the hard-working scientists and innovators of the country, Mr. Modi said, this shows the eagerness of our scientific community to fulfill the dream of an Atmanirbhar Bharat, at the root of which lies care and compassion. In Manipur, 38 persons, including one personnel of the Central Armed Police Force, were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday. Meanwhile, 33 more persons were discharged from treatment centers and the recovery rate is 94.81%. One female patient, aged 65 years, expired due to COVID-19 in the state, increasing the total fatality count to 358. So far, Manipur has recorded total recovered and discharged cases of 26,815, while the number of active cases is 1,108. The total number of positive cases is 28,281. The number of COVID-19 positive cases have been minimal on the daily basis in Meghalaya over the past few weeks, even as the dry run or trial run for vaccination against the viral infection was successfully carried out on Saturday. 12 new COVID-19 cases were detected across the state yesterday, which included 10 in East Khasi Hills and 1 each in West Jaintia Hills and Ribhoi district. The state also recorded 13 more recoveries from the viral disease. Till date, Meghalaya has registered 13,460 COVID-19 cases, including 139 deaths, 135 active cases, and 13,186 recoveries. Nagaland reported one case of COVID-19 positive from Dimapur yesterday. 9 patients have also recovered from the infection. The total recovered cases increased to 11,542, taking the recovery rate to 96.75%. The confirmed COVID-19 cases in Nagaland tallied to 11,930, while 178 are active. The number of COVID-19 active caseload has reduced to 82 in Tripura. The recovery rate has also improved to 98.6% in the state. 8 people had tested positive for the infection, while 14 have recovered as per reports received yesterday. The total number of affected people has reached 33,276. According to the State Health Bulletin, so far 32,786 corona patients have recovered in the state. The Health Bulletin also stated that over 5.81 lakh samples have been tested till Saturday evening. The inferno, which has been raging at the picturesque Dzukou Valley since 29th December last year, is under control. Divisional Forest Officer Kohima Rajkumar said a big team of work was in action to prevent the spread of fire. Ground operations were carried out by Nagaland Police, Forest, NDRF, SDRF and SAYO volunteers. Mr. Rajkumar also confirmed that Kohima Police has set up a control room at Dzukou entry point at Viswema village. The Bambi bucket operation by Indian Air Force is underway to douse the flames. The Indian Army and Assam Rifles also joined hands in providing all possible support in dousing the wildfire. The Meghalaya Frontier of the Border Security Force BSF has said that there has been a steep rise in smuggling of cattle to Bangladesh through the international border. The smugglers are continuing to cross over cattle to Bangladesh to compensate pecuniary losses incurred during the lockdown, the BSF Meghalaya Frontier headquarters in Shillong said. In view of increasing smuggling attempts, BSF has intensified its vigil and operations on the Indo-Bangladesh border to prevent the nefarious design of trans-border criminals, the BSF said. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.